What's up? It's me here for another video, and today we're going to learn about C++, well, hello world, and the basic understanding of C++. So, as I said, there are two different software IDE for C++, so I'm gonna make projects first in both of this. Nope. So I told you guys how to make a project last video, which is a long time ago, so I just want to do another one. And there is a project already, so I'm gonna go in there. It's organized, don't judge. Alright, so it's going to be called project 11.04.2017. I'm gonna copy that. And this is gonna code blocks. Yep, and gonna open it. Oh boy, code blocks does this all the time. I don't know why. Alright, so this is what they make as the original C++ file. So they make this file for you when you create a project. And in Visual Studio, on the other hand, you make a project. Oh boy. Visual Studio always lags, no matter what you have. Whatever. Let's go. Visual Studio. Gonna add it here. Same place. Oh, come on. Visual Studio. Console application. Okay. Wait, what? Oh, yeah, without those things. I forgot. I'll just write it like this. 11. I forgot that. Alright, and it's creating the project, and you will see the difference between two. So in this, alright, so here is the base of the C++ original file in Visual Studio, and in this is code blocks. You see, in code blocks, where you compile and run, or build and run, you will see what you have, which is hello world. Very basic. And in here it's more difficult. You use build compile, which is shift F7. I'm gonna do that. I mean control F7 and then control 5. Alright, and control 5, which you have I forgot. Shift control I mean control 5, yes. And you have nothing here because you didn't write anything. So basically here is include with the hashtag include or sharp include and the ending, which the lines begin with a hash sign, are directives read and interpreted by what is known as the preprocessor. Jesus Christ. And this one doesn't have using namespace because it doesn't need the namespace because it's Visual Studio, and here needs the namespace because it has the IO stream, which is a complete different type as this one. So if you want to use those kind of codes, you have to write in code blocks, but we are going to use Visual Studio. Well, there are free versions and I'm using a paid version, so yep. And here's what you need is to copy this. If you do it in code blocks, that's all you need to make a hello world file or program. And if you want to do it here, just copy it, and here you have to another notification, seriously, see out, which usually doesn't work. Oh yeah. And then those, okay, I'm gonna explain it first. So using namespace std, which the using namespace is all the elements of the standard C++ library are declared within what's called the namespace, which This is the standard namespace. And here is a function. This is a function with the type of integer, and the name of the function is called main, and those parentheses, you just use it always in a function. I don't know why. Okay, whatever. And here's the close and ending and the start of the function. Yeah, and here are each lines, which are code string, I guess. Yeah, they're code strings. And cout is when you is the standard output stream in C++, and those small less than signs are used for when you print something. And here we write hello world, which is what you want to write, and close it. And then here everything's the same now except those, but whatever. And when you save it and you compile it, and let's wait for it, and then you control F5, it shows up just because there is this, which is from the code blocks library. And if we delete that and we compile it, and you will see arrows here. That's why you should use this. I think wait, what was that? Oh, I think that's not gonna work, so I'm not gonna show you the std dot 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 thing, because that's gonna be very complicated and I don't want to make it complicated. So yeah, and the return means that everything's finished. That's all you wanted. And wait, why are there arrows? Okay, never mind. So that is the very easy thing that you can do to get the hello world in a console application, which only works in Windows. Sorry Mac users, but that's for Windows. Alright, so yeah, that's all for the video. Subscribe if you haven't, leave a like if you liked it, if it helped you, and see you guys in the next video. Peace.